Tēnā tātou, ko ngā mahi o te rā nei, ko te hanga Whatarangi, ahurewa, kohu whetū. Today we'll be making a Whatarangi, a ahurewa, and a kohu whetū of our tamariki. Tūhuraina i te whenua, te moana. For our tamariki to assemble their Whatarangi, they will be going out into the taiao, the environment, foraging, collecting resources, rauimi out in the moana, in the ngahere, and the awa, so that they can assemble their Whatarangi. Ka pai, so Waiti is our awa, ko te awa rere nei, our fresh water, Wai Māori, Waita, ko te moana nei, our salt water nei. Ka pai, so we're going to go collect some kai from Waiti. Haere ki te kohi Whatarangi. But there's usually heaps, but it looks like the whānau really come, you know, ko koi. But this is what watercress looks like, ne? Mo tō kōhua, anei te watercress, ne? Whatarangi. Right, and if you ask dad and uncle, yum as. When we do our karakia, our tohunga will have their rau, and they go, ka tohu atu koe, ki te tohu nuku, ki te tohurangi, haumie, huie, tāikie, and once they're finished, they let their rau flow down the awa. Ka pai, this. We tai tikanga Māori. Yeah, pērā, right? So what everyone can do is everyone grab a rau. Hiwa is our wishing star net, so I want everyone to make a wish. Make a wish to your rau, kia huei te rangi, and then put it in the awa. Ka pai? Ka pai. Here we have a Whatarangi. To some, they might call it a ahurewa. Others, kohu whetū, which is this wooden A-frame structure here. Traditionally, when we go through our whāngai te hautapu tikanga, you create an altar as an offering to our atua, to Matariki. Each whānau in the iwi had different compartments in the Whatarangi, and it was their role to source a particular kai source that was unique to them, to add and to contribute, whether that's kai from Waiti, fresh water, Waita, salt water, tupua nuku a kai on the whenua, tupua rangi a kai from up above. But so within the land, it's not a knot, it's a hitch. Ne? So here taniwha, or the flash Pākehā word is a clove hitch. Right? But here taniwha. So grab your taura. Now I want you to do one porowhita, one circle. So this is the only knot really we need to learn, is here taniwha, clove hitch. Yep. And then I want you to make another porowhita, 2. Here taniwha, so this is the taniwha, this is the mouth of the taniwha, ne? Rah, 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 rah. Right, so here's the taniwha, the waha, here's the mouth, and I want you to close it and make 1. Right, so there, and then 1 circle. So pull them both together. Yeah, and then put that on your rākau, like this. Yeah, and then pull tight. So it should look like this. Right, so there's the here, there's the taniwha, and pomo, and then you're caught inside. It looks like an X, and then 1 going through the middle. Yeah, that's the only lash we need in these. Right? Oh, pai, so korero mai, hautapu. Hautapu. So the hautapu in essence is gathering of all the different kai, and the kai undergoing a process which is to be cooked, and from that we release the hautapu, which is the steam of the kai, and all these different kai carry a different bounty to different atua, and we release the steam of that kai to feed and whāngai Matariki for the new year. So it's our way of giving back to the taiao, giving back to our atua. Kua oti tātou te tāwinga kai, ka whakarite mo te hautapu. Māwai, taki te karakia. Hapai e tama.
Nei mai ngā hua o te wao, o te ngākina, o te waitai, o te wai Māori, ngā tāne, ngā rongo, ngā tangaroa, ngā maru, ko rangi nui e tuaki nei, ko papatua nuku e takato mai, tūturu whakamaua kia tina tina. Haumie huie taiki.
Mana watia Matariki. We all have a role to play in the contribution to Matariki, however big or small. I just want to encourage everyone to make a start, whether that's with the gathering of the kai, returning home, pouring down the hangi, the creation of creating a whatarangi. All of that plays a part. I think it's important that our tamariki learn these tikanga practices about Matariki. It is purest essence, it's about well-being, and also it's something that's not only going to shape them but shape our future as well.